Best small car for 2025 to 2024 Mazda Mazda3. The 2024 Mazda Mazda3 has made waves in the automotive world, earning its title as the best small car for 2025. Combining sleek design, dynamic performance, and advanced technology, the latest Mazda 3 sets a new benchmark for what a compact car can offer. Mazda's commitment to crafting a vehicle that is both engaging to drive and luxurious in feel shines through in every detail of the 2024 Mazda 3. Sleek and elegant design. The 2024 Mazda 3 features a sophisticated design that captures attention with its flowing lines and refined aesthetics. The exterior is highlighted by Mazda's signature Kodo design language, characterized by a prominent grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted bodywork that exudes elegance and dynamism. Available in both sedan and hatchback configurations, the Mazda 3 offers versatility to suit different preferences. The hatchback, with its bold rear styling and sporty stance, particularly stands out as a design icon. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of minimalist design, featuring high-quality materials, a clean dashboard layout, and ergonomic seating that prioritizes driver and passenger comfort. Dynamic performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Mazda 3 offers a range of powertrains designed to deliver spirited performance and impressive efficiency. The base model is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 186 horsepower, providing brisk acceleration and smooth power delivery. For those seeking even more excitement, the Mazda 3 is available with a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine, delivering up to 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, with the turbocharged model also offering an all-wheel drive option for enhanced traction and handling. Mazda's renowned G-Vectoring Control Plus system ensures precise steering and stability, making the Mazda 3 a joy to drive on any road. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 Mazda 3 is equipped with a suite of advanced technology features that enhance both connectivity and safety. The centerpiece of the cabin is an 8.8-inch infotainment display, controlled via a rotary dial for intuitive use while driving. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. A premium Bose audio system, available on higher trims, provides an immersive listening experience. Mazda's iActive Sense suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, comes standard, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Comfort and practicality. Despite its compact size, the 2024 Mazda 3 offers a spacious and comfortable interior that caters to both driver and passengers. The seats are designed to provide excellent support and comfort, even on long journeys. High-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident throughout the cabin, creating a premium feel typically associated with more expensive vehicles. The hatchback model offers ample cargo space, with the rear seats folding down to accommodate larger items, making it a practical choice for daily use and weekend adventures. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Mazda 3 has been met with enthusiasm from automotive enthusiasts and industry experts, solidifying its position as a leader in the compact car segment. Its blend of style, performance, and advanced features offers exceptional value for money. With a competitive starting price and a range of available trims and options, the Mazda 3 caters to a wide audience. The 2024 Mazda 3 is now available at Mazda dealerships worldwide, ready to set new standards in the compact car market. Conclusion. The 2024 Mazda Mazda 3 stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a perfect combination of style, performance, and advanced technology. Mazda's dedication to innovation and quality craftsmanship ensures that the Mazda 3 remains a top choice for drivers seeking a compact car that delivers on all fronts. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on road trips, the Mazda 3 provides an unmatched driving experience, solidifying its place at the forefront of the compact car segment.